Hey guys, we are currently at Allamputtu Falls, which is about 20 kilometers from Padaru. We almost trekked 1 kilometer to reach here. You can see the falls there. It's really beautiful. The water is also super clear. We can't reach there because of the water, or the heads up. Just a heads up for you. I heard that 3 people lost their lives swimming here. So I can see the rocks below the water also. That rocks are too steep, so that is why they had trouble climbing them. So be careful, it is too dangerous here. So be careful while visiting this place. You can see the trees and you can see the slope as well. So we crossed all the water and climbed the rocks to reach this beautiful spot. I came with my friends, you can see them here. Now we are getting ready to head back. I'll show you the way. Actually, I didn't take the first video because climbing video because I got scared to catch the mobile and to climb all these rocks and cross the water. So I'm showing you now. My friend is so happy to after reaching here. So just imagine how beautiful it would be to visit during the rainy season. Yeah, but also risky. So you should be careful. The AP tourism should definitely develop these nearby places since it's close to Vanajain, which is really popular right now. The scenery here is amazing. We can get some good pictures of the rocks and the water. The water is the crossing is too dangerous because it's very slippery here, so it should be very careful. So here the place is also slippery. How beautiful it will be if the place is completely filled with water. You have to walk very careful. this is one step of waterfall. I'll show you now. Actually the water is very less. Wait, no water, not less, no water. See, in rainy season definitely it will be excellent. Like see, the water will be flowing down and it will be very good. You can also swim here. It is okay to swim here. It is a bit safe. We can also cook here. We just had a biryani and you can see the shower curtain behind. And we are taking our waste back with us to throw it in a dustbin. I'll show you the way, the rocks. We have to cross all these. Here it is okay to walk and just small rocks and no water here, so it is somewhat okay. See here we should cross the place. Oh, this is the way back to Hukumpeta. We throw our pack here. So we are planning to explore as many as possible.